So hello friends, I am very glad to meet all of you at this time. So I hope that all are fine by the grace of God. So right now, I am going to show that all of you that our Fedi field, that's right, because this year that our Fedi is that not so good like last year. So hope that you will be continue to my video. See again, right now I have come to show the Fedi field. So see how it's going on that our Fedi, and I hope that you will enjoy this my short video. So see friend, this is the way of our Fedi field. So right now I am going on. So these are the means how we go through the Fedi fields. See here. So see dear friends that our Fedi how it is. So this year we are very upset that see that down the roadside means this is not like last year. So last year it was what to say very big and size roller. See, this is our Fedi field. I hope that you will enjoy through my video. See again, let me show you that I will go there again. So see friends, these are our Fedi field, and see how it is. Actually, this is not so good like last year. So I have already told before video. See again, let me show you that. See that others Fedi is the very tall and better than us. So if I compare with the others Fedi, that means I feel something in my heart because we have planted through very by hard work. So see again, see that others, that Fedi is very nice and very beautiful, and it's very what to say like many fertilizer have like this. So that's why it's grown up very nicely. So Naidwngmwn बे समावहाय माने जोंना माइयानो बारा मोजां जायाखै देग्लायनि बोसोरावहाय। माने थांनाय बोसोराव जोंहा साबसिन जादोंमोन। माने आरो बेजों लोगोसे बे जोंहा देग्लाय माने खननै माइ गायनाय जादों बोसोरावनो। माने मेसेंनि माइ खनसे, दैलांनि माइ खनसे। स' बेनि थाखायनो बारा मोजां जायाखै नामा बेखौ बुंनो हाला आरोखि, बेबायदि मोनदों। स' जोंहा माइया बियो आइजं माइ गायदोंमोन जोङो। स' बांद्राय सेरखम बादि जायाखै। नायबाथ' लोगोफोरनि माने बेसङानो बिराद फिसा फिसा जादों देग्लाय। माने बारा बेसं खायाखै आरोखि ना। नायदो नै मानसिफोरनासो मालाय गोजौ गोजौ मोजां जाथारदों। जोंनिया माने देग्लाय बारा इन्ट्रेस्ट जायाखै। स' माथो खालामबावनो, एसेनोसै खस्थ' खालामनानै गायदोंमोन जोंनि गामि। नै मानसिफोरना बिराद साइस जादों मालाय। So लोगोफोर, अब्ला नोंसोर बे समावहाय आंनि भिडिअखौ नुबाय, and you have seen that our Fedi field how it is going on. Actually it is grown up, it's going to come out that Fedi, that means rice. So thank you for watching my short video. So right now I will go back at my home. Just I have come to show you to that Fedi. So I hope that you have enjoyed my video, and so if anything here you want to say something about our paddy, please comment me that we can share each other and we can discuss. See that? Okay, anyway, bye. हामबायसै आंनि बे गुसुं भिडिअखौ नायनायनि थाखाय। स' आसा खालामो नोंथांमोना आंनि बे भिडिअखौ माइ नायफैनाय भिडिअखौ नायनानै इन्जय खालामबाय। स' माइनि नामानो जाहैबाय आइजं। स' हामबायसै लोगोफोर, गोजोन्थों।